What's going on YouTube? We got When Kidnapper Doesn't Know He's Being Recorded. Let's check it out. Like and subscribe. Let's get into it. Let's go.
On May 19, 2019, in Fort Worth, Texas, a woman takes her 8-year-old daughter for a walk down the street when a man pulls up in a car and snatches the girl from her mother's arms.
Holy shit. Holy fucking
Deranged
shit.
kidnapper Michael Webb snatched the child from her mother's arms in broad daylight and drove to a nearby motel. To make matters worse, it took the police 8 excruciating hours to track them down.
8 hours?
To make matters worse, it took the police 8 excruciating hours to track them down. So when they arrive, they don't waste any time.
Oh, that's crazy.
Open it now! Break it. Open it! Hands! Let me see your hands! Step out here! Step out! Step out!
Get him.
Get him on the ground.
Shield.
Get on the ground!
Shield.
Blood in bed, blood in bed. Blood in bed, man. Hey, here she is!
Got her. We got her.
Was she just, hold on. Is she just sitting right there with her hand?
Hey, here she is!
Got her. We got her.
fuck?
We got her.
She was probably scared though. She was just sitting there like, I don't know, it's kind of weird. But, yeah.
Come on. I got custody. We have her. We need an EMT. Get call MedStar. Yes. No. Don't worry about your clothes. Don't worry about your clothes.
We got a towel. We got a towel. Do we have it? Can we cover her up?
Yeah.
With something?
Here
You go, baby. Can we get her out?
Come here.
Damn, that's fucking crazy.
Where are these two scenes?
Let's go. Come on, sweetheart.
You're okay?
We got her. Hold the door. Hey, back off, guys. Back off. Please, just back off.
Riz, they found her. We have her.
Hey, Hayes, let's go. Let's get her in here so she can sit down.
After detaining Webb and finding the girl hiding in a laundry basket under a pile of
She was in a laundry
clothes, the parents are informed of her rescue.
Guys, listen. Just stay there for me, okay? Hey, do me a favor. Can you?
This is the father.
Okay. Just hold on, okay?
What's this place called?
It's the Woodbridge Suites.
Woodward Suites?
It's in Forest Hill.
Ain't no way I'm the dad and you telling me to hold on and back up, nigga. If my daughter got kidnapped, I'm finna be the first nigga on scene, for sure.
51-year-old Webb is taken into custody. He's found to be a
Why they blur his eyes out?
51-year-old
Why they blur his eyes out? This creep ass, this weird alien head fuck. Why they blur his eyes
Webb
out?
is taken into custody. He's found to be a career criminal with a history of violent sexual assault. During a taped interrogation, the pathetic pervert makes a shocking confession.
What did you say to scare her, Michael?
I told her that if she said anything, that I would do something to her parents. And if I was in jail, I would have my friends to do it.
It took a jury just 10 minutes to find Webb guilty of federal kidnapping charges,
Weird
and he
ass
received the
nigga.
maximum sentence.
Weird ass nigga, good.
Life behind bars.
Life sentence.
That is the result you get with good old-fashioned police work.
Good.
But what happens when cops encounter a pervert who thought he could pick up a 13-year-old he met online?
Sheriff's office. Back up. If I ask you that question again, I'm gonna lose my mind. How old are you?
22.
Oh, you f***ed up. Yeah, you f***ed up real good.
On February 19,
He said you
2021,
fucked up real good. What?
a 13-year-old girl in Volusia County, Florida went missing while on her way home from school. But when police talked to one of her friends, they would learn a disturbing story. The girl had recently met an adult man online and had plans of meeting him at a Dollar General.
That's
The friend
crazy.
only knew that his name started with a T
Meeting at a Dollar General? What the fuck? What kind of shit is this?
and that they were going back to a local motel.
I'm looking at today from school gets out around 3:15ish, so I'm thinking 3 to 3:30.
I mean, is that like a super recent picture though?
She says she looks pretty much like this. It looks pretty close to her. Hello. Hey, so my name is Deputy James. I'm wondering if a juvenile and another person checked in here earlier today. Have you seen that? Her? I'm looking for a juvenile that looks to be ran away from home today. And we have information she may have checked in to a local hotel with an adult. This is what she looks like. Any check-ins today? I'm investigating a runaway juvenile that supposedly checked into a local hotel
This bro just going up to every fucking door asking?
today with an adult, most likely. I don't know what he looks like or anything. This is what she looks like.
All right, someone checked in earlier when I wasn't here.
Oh, this is a manager or some shit.
Let me check the.
Oh, perfect.
This is the manager sleeps at the fucking motel hotel? Hold on.
She looks like.
All right, someone checked in earlier when I wasn't here, so let me check the.
Oh, perfect. Okay.
Is there a name for that? The last?
Yeah. Well, she's only 13, so I don't know the person she's with. So it would have been whoever she's with. Yeah, she doesn't even have an ID. She's, again, only 13.
You know who is she an older person, or you have no idea?
The person she's with? No clue.
Well, check out this person that checked in today.
Ooh, where's this guy? I think this is.
Bro said, ooh, you're cooked, nigga. On my
The deputy
soul.
has shown the driver's license of a man who recently checked in with a name matching the one the missing girl's friend gave. To avoid alarming the suspect, the deputy decides to approach the room posing as motel staff rather than police.
Front office. Anybody inside? We need to come in for a second.
Yeah, this nigga said front office. Bro, you got me fucked up. I open up the door thinking I'm finna get some fucking towels or some shit. These niggas come at me with guns. That's fucking crazy.
Sheriff's office. Back up. Have a seat on the couch.
That nigga heart dropped to his ass whenever he opened up that. Dropped to his ass. He turned that light on. Aw, shit. He's
Sheriff's
cooked.
office. Back up. Have a seat on the couch.
He's cooked.
What's up, sweetheart? Sheriff's office. Get Pappy up here. Go in the bedroom and wait for me for a second. How old are you? How old are you? Just wait here for me, sweetheart. Are you okay? Do you need any attention? Are you hurt at all? You're not hurt at all?
Why is he not
Your
answering?
stomach hurts?
He's asking how old are you? Why are you not answering?
Okay, we're gonna be right with you, okay? Yeah, you f***ed up. How old are you? If I ask you that question again, I'm gonna lose my mind. How old are you?
22.
Oh, you f***ed up. Yeah, you f***ed up real good.
Yeah, Nico.
Yes, I am. I found him.
Stand for. How old is he?
Too old.
Alright, I'm on the way.
The terrified 13-year-old
Yeah, I'm
girl
on the
runs into the
way.
deputy's arms, who would then let the 22-year-old suspect know just how screwed he really is. Tyler Thompson was charged with 30 counts of child sex crimes.
30 counts?
He was found guilty and sentenced to 40 years in prison. This
Good.
case was terrifying.
That's what he deserves.
But what
30 counts, though? What the fuck did he do? 30 counts?
happens when a would-be kidnapper fails to achieve his goal? On April 29, 2022, in Akron,
Hold on. This nigga's trying to kidnap her ass in broad fucking
a would-be
daylight.
kidnapper fails to achieve
You know she's screaming. This guy takes a look. You see him. Look, he peeks over right here.
his goal.
Puts his head back down and keeps fucking walking.
On
What
April
the fuck?
29, 2022, in Akron,
What the
Ohio, a
fuck?
man tried and failed to abduct a 16-year-old girl at a bus stop before fleeing in a white Mustang.
This guy in the red fucking... This guy in this red jacket, if anybody knows, you're a piece of fucking shit, dude. You're a piece of shit, dude. That's fucked up. That's fucked up.
Police soon spot the vehicle at a nearby gas station and confront the suspects.
You put your ID out, my man? Yeah, ID, sir? Well, someone's gonna come talk to you.
I'm going to jail?
No.
You got your ID on?
Huh? No.
Oh,
You'd be out of the car in handcuffs right now if you were, my man.
Oh.
Just relax, my man. It'll all be... we gotta talk to your passenger.
That's what I'm saying. It didn't look like that fat nigga was out there. He didn't look that big whenever he was grabbing. I was saying,
It doesn't even involve you. So relax.
But nigga, it does though, cause we seen the same car, so it does involve you. Your ass was on it too.
What's up?
He's the detective and he's the sergeant, so he'll be able to answer any questions you got.
And what kind of weak ass pat down was that? Hold the fuck on. Hold on. Weak ass pat down. Y'all see that?
Alright, it doesn't even involve you. So relax. What's up?
He's the detective and he's the sergeant, so he'll be able to
The fuck
answer
was
any
that?
questions you got, okay?
I'll get my keys out my car.
Your car's fine, man. Ain't no one gonna fuck with your shit.
I'm aware.
Yeah. Just relax. He'll talk to you. I think she's playing some game or something on people. Yeah, let's see back here. Your passenger.
Playing a game?
You know him that well?
Playing a game? Nah, that was serious. Bro was trying to grab somebody.
Yeah, that's my friend.
He wants to talk to her. Is it her, him? What is it? What's she identify as? Her? Okay. Yeah, I'm not trying to be rude or insensitive. I just didn't know which way to go with it. And there's no easy way of talking about it.
Detectives speak to the vehicle's passenger, who claims complete ignorance of the incident.
We have on him from this morning, after he left your house. You said between 6 and 6:30. He drove down Arlington to Neville, parked his car on Neville, walked up at the bus stop at the corner of Arlington and Neville. There was a 16-year-old girl that was standing there waiting for the bus to go to school. He kind of stood around, pretending like he was waiting for the bus for a couple minutes, and he grabbed her and tried to drag her back to his car. She grabbed onto the fence there, fought him off, and then when the bus started coming up, she started screaming, "Here comes the bus." He had her phone, threw her phone at her, and took off running, got in his car and took off.
So who the fuck did it? Who the it wasn't this person?
So I don't know if he was gonna sexually assault her, if he was gonna rape her. I don't know what his intentions were, but that's what he did. Is it something that?
Alright. Listen, I'm not telling you what to do. I'm just
Also, it wasn't.
giving you a heads up that the best way to handle things at our age is to be honest. I mean, we're not 15-year-old kids where we try and lie our way out of it. But everything that can be recorded. In this world, man, there's cameras everywhere. So I ain't trying to bullshit you. I'm just telling you. I'm sure you've been to court and you see how things go in court. If you're honest and cool and tell people you fucked up or whatever, it goes a lot easier. You know what I mean? Especially nowadays with the judges the way they are.
You got your full step car.
He does. It's a little odd.
Yeah, I'm gonna just give you somebody to take with you.
Hey, don't act silly, my man. But how about here? I gotta put you in cuffs because when we go into county, you have to go in cuffs. So when you get out, just face that way. I'm not moving, but just face that way. And put your hands on your back, all right?
29-year-old suspect Aaron Jackson has a lengthy criminal history and had been released from jail just 5 days before this incident. He was charged with abduction and given a 5-year sentence. That potential victim bravely fought back and saved herself from a truly terrible fate.